What's good? What's good? So a new camera came in and we're gonna unbox it real quick, get this thing charged up so we can play around with it. So we ended up getting the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I got a lot of special things planned for this, for sure. We got the creator combo because I didn't want to have to try to find all the little parts and pieces and everything. Figure I'd just get what it comes with, and we'd be good.
A few moments later.
Yeah. I mean, man, it's like H-Town over here, you know what I'm saying? H-Town my home, man. This is how we do it over there, you know what I mean? Yeah, we be riding with them slabs on foes. Yeah. Wood grain gripping candy paint on foes. Yeah. Big stacks, chrome grills on the Chevy. Yeah. This is my town, H-Town for the record. Yeah. We be riding with them slabs on foes. Wood grain gripping candy paint on foes. Yeah. Big stacks, chrome grills on the Chevy. Yeah. This is my town, H-Town for the record. Man, we ballin', yeah, we ballin', it's a damn shame. Dirty South, heavy Southern, do the damn thing. Big chains, Billy grills with the faux swagger. All I need is my drink and a faux banger. Getting money ain't an option, boy, we live this. Stack bread, buy a house, take a few trips. Trade the white for a deal, take a few slips. Hit Miami, getting blunted with a few chicks. See the boss, Ricky Rouse, pay a few slips. Pay the coast, I'm a boss in my own frame. Hit a couple spots in the drop, got my own change. In the pot, whipping guac like I sold cane. Yeah, now I'm back on my ducky. Pimp a few birds, but the girl said he love me. Spend a couple G's on the Chevy, now it's rumbling. Spend a couple stacks, came back with a tumbler. Yeah, we be riding with them slabs on foes. Wood grain gripping candy paint on foes. Big stacks, chrome grills on the Chevy. This is my town, H-Town for the record. We be riding with them slabs on foes. Wood grain gripping candy paint on foes. Big stacks, chrome grills on the Chevy. This is my town, H-Town for the record. Bang and a swing and I'm back on my grind. Wood grain gripping, boy, I'm back on my shine. Boy, I'm sick, got me feeling like the new Prince. I'm so Seattle supersonic like I'm Sean Kemp. I Dimsy roll all you haters with a devil.